Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. I will be reviewing Vincent audio since I've owned some Vincent gear and have listened to a lot of Vincent gear at shows and at friends' places for quite a bit of time now. I think it's from around 2002 to 2020. It's actually a lot like Musical Fidelity that I previously reviewed, and I don't have a lot of good things to say about Vincent, other than their basic headphone amplifiers. They're actually pretty okay for the price, and you might want to consider that if you're entering the budget market and just want to start with something that's okay. But as a brand, I would say that they're inconsistent. They've got a lot of loose timing. A lot of their products sound numb and plastic-like, and it just has that China taste of bad components that don't really work together and create a human-like effect. So inconsistent, confusing. Can't really upgrade the stuff. You can't really upgrade your system around it because it reacts positively and at the same time negatively. So it's so difficult to work with. But if you have some other opinions, tell me about them in the comments section. Have a nice day. Bye.